hole. Have you ever felt like you're walking through a dream, right in the middle of your own city? Imagine this. The clock strikes midnight. The streets are slick with rain, reflecting a kaleidoscope of neon signs. From the shadows, a figure emerges. He's wearing a stunning coat made of black feathers, soft as the night itself, and brilliant silver boots that catch the light with every step. Not what makes you stop and stare. It's the wings. Huge, ethereal wings, glowing with a soft, otherworldly light, unfolding slowly against the gritty backdrop of downtown. She turns, her gaze meeting yours, and for a moment, the entire city seems to hold its breath. It's a powerful image, right? The pure, magical angel amidst the chaos of modern life. 2. Reminder that beauty and freedom can exist anywhere, even in the darkest of nights. This is the kind of magic we love to create. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fantasy brought to life.